As we begin our class together, I wanted to have a devotion, and not just a devotion for this lesson, but a devotion for the class. I want to talk about a benediction. Now, many of us know a benediction as being something that we say at the end of a church service, but if we look a little closer at the roots of the word for benediction, it can be much more. And in communication, we often want to look at the what's more, not just what's on the surface, but what's beyond the surface. And so if we look at this word, it's a Latin word, and it means to speak well of. And I am going to begin this class speaking well of you in this opportunity because I am very pleased, very proud that you are enrolled in this class, and I'm grateful that we will be working together. And you will see that communication can bring some interesting ideas into your life. Now, not only in a benediction do we speak well of something, but it's also, we often use a Bible verse to be able to focus this. And my favorite is Numbers 6:24-26. I used to say this to my kids every night as they went to bed when they were little. The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make his face shine on you and be gracious to you. And that's my prayer for you as we begin this class. And I want you to feel his blessing as you're working. Now, I also wanted to point out one other thing as we do this devotion, that in communications, it's not just what you say, it's how you say it and what is surrounding that. So I want you to take a look at the difference between the font where I typed out this verse and this little kind of post-it note font. It's a different feeling, isn't it? Or if we go here, this seems different as well. And if you look at this one, then I think you have this different kind of understanding of this particular verse. If you look at this, by the way, my sister-in-law took this photo. It makes you feel something different. This might make you feel a little different. Or here, all the different ways that you can arrange, communicate something slightly different even though the words may be the same with these photos, with these images. So as we continue, remember, we have to be looking at all these different levels in communication, not just the words, but the how, the why, the when, the where, to what appearance, and what is the impact of it. And so as we end this devotion, let me do the benediction in the way that you may be used to at the conclusion of the message. The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make his face shine on you and be gracious to you. Amen.